Welcome to All About Law. In today's video, we're diving into the breathtaking world of Seychelles, an archipelago of unparalleled beauty, offering a unique blend of tranquil beaches, vibrant culture, and lush landscapes. But Seychelles is more than just a vacation paradise. It's a place where the dream of living and working amidst tropical serenity can become a reality. Join us as we explore the essentials of making Seychelles your home and workplace. From navigating the legal landscape to embracing the island lifestyle. Whether you're an entrepreneur, a professional, a digital nomad, seeking a change of scenery, or simply curious about life in this idyllic setting, this guide will provide you with all the information you need to make your Seychelles dream come true. Stay tuned as we unlock the secrets to living and working in one of the most enchanting destinations on the planet. Living and working in Seychelles. Gainful Occupation Permit. A gainful occupation permit, GOP, allows the holder to be gainfully occupied in Seychelles, and this could be as an employee or as a self-employed person. First, you need to get permission from the Ministry of Employment and Social Affairs for hiring someone from outside the Seychelles. Upon obtaining the relevant approval from the Ministry of Employment and Social Affairs, an application for gainful occupation permit should then be submitted to the Immigration Office, Independence House, Victoria, at least 1 week before the employee is due to start work. The same procedures as per above should be followed for extension of validity of the GOP or change of post titles or duties. The prospective employee must not enter Seychelles for the purpose of taking up employment prior to obtaining the gainful occupation permit. The application form is to be completed by the prospective employer. In the case of a self-employed, by the person seeking the permit, there is a processing fee of 1,000 rupees for processing of the application. The fee for the whole duration of the permit being sought at 500 rupees per month or part thereof is payable when submitting the application. If you intend to set up a business in Seychelles, you will instead require a gainful occupation permit. If this is the case, first of all, you will need to submit a project memorandum to the Seychelles Investment Board, SIB, detailing your business proposal for their consideration. The SIB can be contacted on the following addresses: Seychelles Investment Board DPO, Box 1167 Victoria, Mahé, Seychelles. Email: investinseychelles@sib.gov.skis. Website: www.investinseychelles.com. As we wrap up our journey through the captivating landscapes and serene lifestyle of Seychelles, it's clear that living and working in this tropical paradise is more than just a dream. It's a feasible, life-changing opportunity. From the practical steps of obtaining the necessary permits and finding employment or starting a business, to adapting to the laid-back island lifestyle and integrating into the welcoming community, Seychelles offers a unique blend of professional possibilities and personal fulfillment. Remember, the key to a successful transition is preparation, understanding local laws and customs, and embracing the vibrant culture and natural beauty of the islands. If you're seeking a life that combines work and leisure in one of the most beautiful settings in the world, Seychelles might just be the perfect place for you. Thank you for joining us on this exciting exploration. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content on living your dream life in destinations around the globe. Until next time, dream big and explore without limits. Do not forget to like and subscribe for more content on this channel.